Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication in WP Security Ninja. First of all, go to your Firewall tab and then scroll down a little bit. What you're looking for is this thing called two-factor authentication. Now, two-factor authentication simply means that you will need your login and your password to log in, and then on top of that, in order to log into your website, you will also need your phone that has a little app that generates a random code that you have to enter. This code changes, I believe, once every 30 seconds. So you need to have both your phone and your login and password to be able to log in. Now, the grace period simply means that people will have a chance. Let's say you have a website with several users and you want to give them a few days to ensure that they can set up 2FA properly, because once they have enabled, or you have enabled 2FA, and they do not have a 2FA set up on related to their account, they won't be able to log in unless you go and allow them to get back in. So it's worth, if you have a lot of users. Otherwise, you can simply set to 0, and that just means that the next time people log in or out, they will be forced to enter this 2FA code. You can also set which kind of required roles. Per default is just administrator and editor, but of course you can set any kind of required roles that need this. You can also have a little introduction text and a little message text. Now, the introduction text is of course for when you are setting up the 2FA. You can give some instructions or include an email address if you want, if people have questions, your users want to get some help. And this 2FA enter code is simply the text that was shown once you are trying to log in as a regular user and you need to enter the code. So again, here you can customize the text. So right now all I have done is I've enabled it. So let's scroll down and click Save Changes. So now I've logged in, but this is the first time that I'm logging in since enabling 2FA. So right now my website is asking me to scan this QR code and then enter the code so I can use that in the future going ahead. So I've taken my phone and I've used the Authy Authenticator app. It's available for both Mac and for iPhone and Android. And once it's been it scanned the code and added to the app, I will be able to, in this case it's sorry, I need to click the input field here, 403619. So now that I've entered my username and password, the next thing I'm going to get is this warning prompt to ask me to enter the authentication code. And if I enter a wrong code, it was just a random, it's going to block me. I'm not going to be able to get in. Now, using my phone, I can see that the current code right now is 765940. So now I can click verify code, and as you can see, it's verified. I'm logged in. Thank you for watching this video on how to enable two-factor authentication in WP Security Ninja.